cutting board.
Cutting board, yes, this is a cutting board.
That's your nurse was in the cutting board. Oh.
You can't do this by yourself. You need Nan's help so you don't cut yourself. Okay, we're cutting it in cubes.
Like an ice cube.
In half.
Like an ice cube.
Yeah, so we cut it in half. Now we cut the half into cubes, and that makes these pieces quarters. See? Oh, we've got one more. Cut it in half. Very good. Now, that's a quarter. 2 quarters. 2 more quarters. Yay! We did it! Okay, we're all done. Yay! All right, all done. Yeah. Yay! Now we need some spice. Okay, let's check on these potatoes. I can smell the onion powder. Still browning. All right. Okay, cookies are done. Okay. All right. Hot, hot. Do not touch. They are hot. Chocolate oatmeal cookies. I snuck some sweet potato in there because somebody doesn't like to eat his vegetables. Here you are. Hey. Hey, hey. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Nice and crispy. I think they're done. Nice and crispy. Almost done. What are you doing to the light? Finish your potatoes. Bryson. Hey. Bryson, leave the light alone. Be good. You really like that chocolate oatmeal cookie, didn't you?